Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how you can assign equipment from the office to different employees. First thing is you need to make sure that this maintenance apps is installed. You can go to apps and you just type in main, search the module. If it wasn't already activated, you would see it look more like one of these where you would have to click the activate button. I've already activated here for this. Inside maintenance, there's a section up here called equipment, and then machines and tools. This is where you can create things like, laptop one, and then you can put, product information, Acer. We can say, if I feel like creating one, vendor reference, model number, things like that, serial number. And then you can also set a maintenance schedule. And then more importantly, this is where you can assign the equipment to specific employees. So we'll just do Abigail here. And now when you come to this record, you can see that Abigail has this laptop, and if you need to figure out if it needs to get fixed, or maybe it's outdated, she needs a new one. This is where all this kind of stuff could be tracked, and obviously just for an internal reference of where all of your office equipment is. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.